Hi, my name is Craig Potter, and today I'm going to be showing you our iControl Speakercraft driver for the BitWise BC4 and BC1 automation controllers. This driver works much in the same way as a Speakercraft MODE Free Keypad. This means that the driver pulls all its information from the MZC's Easy Tools program. Today I'm going to be showing you our engineering screen. This screen is used to provide installers with tools that they can use to troubleshoot or better understand the installation. The most important tool we provided from the engineering screen is the communications test over here. This will allow the installer to gauge the communications reliability between the GUI and the Speakercraft MZC. If we select the communications test, we are prompted to enter the interval over which the communications commands will be sent. I recommend you leave it at the default 500 milliseconds, purely because this is the rate at which the driver will send commands during normal operation. At the top of the screen you will see the progress of the communications test. This usually takes just over a minute. Once the test is complete, you will then have an indication of how reliable the communications are between our GUI and the Speakercraft MZC. We recommend above 90%. So the next tool is the source list. This just allows you to see the type of every source in the system. Being MZC-88, source 0 and 1 are internal tuners. And then you can see how the rest of the sources have been assigned according to the Easy Tools program. We can just push menu to exit that. The next two features we provided are the ability to rename each zone and each source. You can do this as many times as you want. Note that this is only done locally. This will not change the programming on the MZC. It will only change the stored value on this iPad. So the last feature that is available on the driver is the ability to clear the saved data. Now the reason you need this option is purely because on first run, this driver will download all the Easy Tools programming information from the MZC. This is then saved and used to make the driver faster to load and faster to respond. However, should the MZC be reprogrammed or the BC4 move to a different MZC, the programming or the saved values on this driver won't match the programming on the MZC. Therefore, you need to clear the saved data and then initiate the first run download that happens when you launch the driver for the first time. At the bottom, we have information pertaining to the background JavaScript engine which runs the entire driver. So that in the event of a bug or an issue that you do have with the driver, you simply give us the data on the left column over here, and we will then be able to use that to troubleshoot the driver. There's a full user guide for the engineering screen available in the installer manual, which can be acquired from the iLED website at www.iled.co.za.